Every single day, people are making decisions about you. Who to trust, who to hire, who to listen to. And most of the time, none of those decisions are based on who you actually are. They're based on one thing they noticed first. That's the halo effect. And it is quietly controlling almost every important outcome in your life. Here's how it works. When your brain sees one positive thing about a person, their appearance, their confidence, the way they speak, it automatically assumes everything else about them is positive too. It fills in all the missing information with good assumptions. Without asking, without checking, without any evidence at all. You see someone well-dressed walking into a room. Your brain immediately decides they're intelligent, capable, and trustworthy. You haven't spoken a single word to them, but the judgment is already made. That's not a choice. That's your brain running a shortcut. And here's the uncomfortable truth. People are doing the exact same thing to you. Right now, every day, in every room you walk into, the first thing they notice about you creates a halo. And that halo follows you everywhere in that interaction. It colors every word you say, every idea you present, every impression you leave behind. Get the halo right, and people assume the best about everything you do. Get it wrong, and even your best work gets filtered through doubt. This is why two people can say the exact same thing and get completely different reactions. It's not what they said. It's the halo they walked in with. So what actually creates a halo? First, appearance. Not perfection. Just intention. When you look like you made an effort, people read it as competence and self-respect. They assume if you care about how you present yourself, you probably care about your work too. Second, confidence in your first words. The way you open a conversation sets the entire tone. A strong, calm opening tells the brain, this person knows what they're doing. And once that belief is set, it's very hard to shake. Third, how you make people feel in the first 30 seconds. If someone feels comfortable, seen, and respected in the first half minute of meeting you, that feeling becomes their truth about you. Everything after that gets interpreted through that lens. Most people spend enormous energy trying to prove themselves after a bad first impression. And it almost never works. Because the halo is already set. And changing a halo is 10 times harder than creating a good one from the start. This is not about being fake. It's about being intentional. The halo effect is going to happen whether you use it or not. People's brains will always look for that one signal and build a story around it. The only question is whether you give them the right signal on purpose, or leave it to chance. You are more in control of how people see you than you think. But only if you understand how perception actually works. Start with one thing. Appearance. Posture. Your opening words. Pick one and make it intentional. Because the halo you create today will follow you further than you realize. If this video changed how you see the world, like and subscribe. Stay growth.